how to find and access TikTok shop. So let's get started. Firstly, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Now inside the TikTok app, simply go to your profile icon available in the bottom right corner. After that, simply tap on the three dashboard option available and tap on the settings and privacy in it. In settings and privacy, scroll down till you find the option report a problem. Inside report a problem, tap on or simply scroll down inside the report problem and tap on submit a report. Now all you have to do is contact the TikTok support. You will have to write down the brief instructions or brief description of how you can find your TikTok shop in your TikTok app. They may be able to provide further guidance or troubleshoot the issues for you. So make sure that you are up to date in your TikTok account and email ID. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.